In this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply decimals by powers of 10. Start by recording the first factor, 193 and 4/10, into the top row of the place value chart. Because we're multiplying this number by 100, we're going to be increasing the value of each digit by 2 powers of 10. So we're going to drag 2 arrows to show that each digit is increasing by 2 powers of 10. Or moving 2 places to the left on the place value chart. So the 1 in the hundreds place is now worth 1 10,000. The 9 in the tens place is worth 9 thousands. The 3 in the ones place is worth 300s. And the 4 in the tenths place is worth 4 tens. Since the ones place is empty, we're going to fill it with a 0. And the final product is 19,340. In the second example, we're multiplying 2 and 76 hundredths by 10. Start by recording 2 and 76 hundredths in the first row of the place value chart. Because it's being multiplied by 10, each digit is going to increase by 1 power of 10 or increase by 1 place on the place value chart. The 2 in the ones place will now be worth 2 tens. The 7 in the tenths place is now worth 7 ones, and the 6 in the hundredths place is now worth 6 tenths. So the final product is 27 and 6 tenths.